Sanibonani guys, sanibonani. Welcome back to Umnkosi Nophilile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys for coming. Thank you so much for tuning in. Mangabe umshala ekhaya igama lami uphilile Barbara. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ufike. Please kindly subscribe, like video njalo ubuye share video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu you guys ukho konke nikwenzayo. Si channel siyakhula. Thank you so much for your love. Now you guys kule video ngizothanda ukuthi ngikhulume ngodaba lukaZahara ongasekho emhlabeni. May he so rest in peace you guys. Ngoba ke manje sokuze kwenza ukuthi siloku sikhuluma ngoZahara ezilalele Nkosi yami you guys ngoba kunendaba laphana eyendlu eloku ingundaba mlonyeni kwathiwa indlu kaZahara seyadayiswa you guys. So kusho ukuthi emveni kokuthi idayiswe kusho ukuthi umndeni uhleli ngaphakathi. Angazi lapha namakhulunywa ngomndeni ngoba ngiyacabanga mina kuzo zonke lezi zinto ezenzekayo asikaze sizwe lutho like abazali bakaZahara sizokuthiwa obakhona like bahleli la what you guys makusho kuthiwa umndeni kaZahara njalo nje kuvela odade wabo into kanjalo. Siyakhumbula ngenkathi egula laphana nangenkathi nje ezodlula emhlabeni abantu were in the picture makho lokuthi umndeni kaZahara olumka Mkutukana noBandezwa. Mkutukana ungama sisters kaZahara okuyibo kade bebusy bekhuluma okuningi kwaqala kwathiwa nampo badayisa benze njani badla imali kaZahara isaphile sasezibhedlela you guys. Nampo baphusha lo okade engumyeni wakhe sasizwile ukuthi ngumyeni wakhe babuye bathi hayi abashadile uMphoxaba something like that. Bathi bona hayi uZahara noMphoxaba bashadile. People who just come out you guys ngama sisters wakaZahara. Honestly ngizama ukuthi ngiswisa abazali bakaZahara kulento ngoba mina ngaze ngibabone nje bekukhulunywa ngabo andesi ngike ngazo nje ngesikhathi ezobekwa lapha ukuthi umama kaZahara into but into eziningi akaveli Nkosi yami kuvela nje ama sisters wakaZahara Zahara's family. That's what I find out nalapho nje you guys emveni kokuthi uZahara sebekiwe sababone emncwabeni kaZahara bekhuluma ulumka noBandezwa. After that kwazothiwa nampo bahleli endlini kaZahara nampo bagqoka impahla zikaZahara kwakuneviki mhlamba amaviki amabili udade esedlulile abantu bathi ha ngokusheshsha kanje seniyagqoka impahla zomuntu kanti azizi ukwabiwa yini into kanjalo ngoba kuningi abantu bathi hayi kuthiwe ngosiko lwakubo bangakwenza lokho hlezi njalo nje kuzi istory eziningi ngoZahara. That's why mina ngithi may he so rest in peace uzilalele la khona konke lokho kwenzekayo guys. Mhlambe she can see it but yeah there's nothing she can do about it. Mhlambe nje uziphumulela nje akuboni konke lokho idrama yonke lekho yenzekayo you guys that is continuing wosisi bakhe laba you guys kakhulukazi uBandezwa ngoba nguye engibona igama lakhe livelile estoryn kaSunday World. But in this case ngilana ka MTN News you guys basilethile lapha istory basicuphe kaSunday World. Kukhulunywa ngokuthi ifurniture kaZahara beyidayiswa on sale but it was on fire. Idayiswa futhi nje cheap kuthiwa ke it was unbelievable because ama prices wakhona umuntu uyabuka ifurniture ebesuyazwa iprice kuthiwa beyidayiswa nje ngoba sekumele phela baphume kule andlu kwathiwa bahleli lapha yana umuntu owathenga indlu khona ngivuka you guys I'm sorry kwathiwa umuntu wathenga indlu ubavumela ukuthi bahlale emveni kokuthi sebeyithengile leyo ndlu until angazi you guys but at least they were lucky enough to be allowed to stay even after indlu seyithengwe ngomunye umuntu. So I think in this case sekumele baphume because mhlambe lo wayithenga engazwa ukuthi lo muntu wayithenga uyithenge for business purposes. That's what I heard. Mhlambe sekafuna ukuthi aqale business like sekumele manje igazi isikhathi abasinikezwayo sishayile bebeloko bengekenzi lutho ukuthi benza imizamo kwake kwathiwa benza imizamo yokuthi bayithenge back. I don't know what happened then imizamo le I think yehlula yonke into I think beyisinzwa odadewabo you guys empeleni. So now kuthiwa ke on the story Zahara's furniture on fire sale as family is evicted from her house according to Sunday World. Late Afropop sensation Zahara's family is currently selling her luxury furniture to the highest bidder after being evicted from her house. The family is circulating pictures on her household items on WhatsApp with price tags. So ke badayisa ka WhatsApp leyo mpahla kaZahara you guys kuthiwa ke hayi sekumele baphume they were evicted there you guys banikezwa ukuthi ithuba lokuhlala Nkosi yami sezwa kuthiwa ekudala yathenga indlu kodwa banikeza ithuba lokuthi bangahlala. So angazi Chris Excel lapha uthi I feel sorry for the family. Into indinayo ukuthi makuthi family kusho nje odadewabo you guys abadala nje angaze kizwe kuthiwa they are anyway near. Ingabe odadewabo bakaZahara bayabazisa abadala lekhaya I understand ukuthi they are in the Eastern Cape ngabe bayabazisa ngalento abayenzayo noma bayazenzela nje you guys ngoba ayi cha akukho la nginokubabona bevela khona ukuthi umama kaZahara uthe kuzokwenzeka into ethi or umama kaZahara, it's just the sisters. That's what I usually hear, right? Then omunye wasethi TS Records has a chance to right where might have wronged her. If they did by setting her dead, this is their chance. Umbono omunye umuntu laphana, and then someone said what a shameful family, so they wanted to live there for free. Ngoba kwathiwa banikeza ithi balokuthi abahlale sokushuthi abakhokhile ukuthi bahleli nje ngoba le ndiyathenga ngomunye umuntu. Someone said this is so heartbreaking, so sad. Those are the tweets abantu bephendula lapha ka MTN News story. Someone said I'm just glad ukuthi she did not leave kids behind. Even me, you guys, cabanga nje ingane zakhe Nkosi yami bezoloku sihluphekile ngayo yonke le ndaba ayi ngeke. In the midst of it all, I'm just happy she has no children who will suffer. This is somebody. Then someone said living in the suburbs is not cheap, even if the property is paid off. Rates and taxes, maintenance, water and lights, etc. Into kanjalo ukuthi bebehleli nje since umuntu wathi ayihlala nini until ke bebehleli nje bengakhokhi lutho. That's why people are saying they not even ashamed ukuhlala nje mahala bengakhokhi lutho, bebefuna nje ukuqhubeka abahlale kanjalo nje. And then someone said the Zahara story is very sad. Siyadabukisa because the story kaZahara ayi ngeke bafethu indlu yakhe and everything. It's just a whole lot. And then umunye uthi mina bengithi uZahara uphumlile, you can just feel that ugirl bekathwele nzima ehlushekiswa umndeni wakhe, awunangqondo lomndeni futhi usile nje. Ama-tweets lawo you guys akona umbono wami ngifunda lana under the story. These are the people. Someone said a lesson to the living are the ones you bought houses and have not taken insurance in case they die or lose their jobs. A lesson to the rich, you have time to secure that house, do so, you can die at any time. Ngezinye indlela leya tweet ithi lungisa ungakahambi ungazushiye kunjalo ngoba kuyosala kumoshakala. And then someone said that family is a problem, can they even afford to pay the water bill? Ay omunye uthi karata ikayi you guys ukhona uthi naki kupa karata ikayi ikatara you guys yanikezwa uVusi Nova. Sezwa laphana kwesinye story kuthiwa ke they gave Zahara's friend uVusi Nova Zahara's guitar. Sabona laphana uVusi Nova ebonga ngempela into ayenzele umndeni kaZahara. Kwathiwa ezinye zezinto ngesikhathi kwakuthiwa sebebhise bebizinto zikaZahara abantu bethi no it's too early, why are they so fast. Kwathiwa ke kodwa i-guitar yakhe bayinikeze ke uVusi Nova. Askis my friend unyaka Katara mara Katara ke hale musi bayifile Vusi ke hale bayifile Vusi Nova. Hayi khona umunye uthi ukhathele manje Zahara nywe you guys uthi handiku Zahara nywe abantu bakhathele manje uZahara makalale ngokuthula you guys, kodwa ke itoro ngoba ziyaphuma manje kwenziwe njani. And yeah, I'm still not famous and having my peace. This is someone ukuthi you know what, if you are famous you guys noma ungabe ungasekho igama lakho lokho livelile lapha you guys. And yeah man, someone said ingakho ku right ukwakha uzakhela into engiyakho engikuze kuloko noma ungaseke kuthiwe indlu i10 mawuzakhela umuzi wakho ususe phansi. This is somebody. So yeah man, you guys, istory somuzi kaZahara laphana kuthiwa ke sebexoshiwe ngaphakathi abakubo kaZahara debehleli ngendlela engizwe ngakhona ka Sunday World ngathi uhlele ke ubandezwa mkutukana you guys. So ke sebeyidayisa ifurniture kaZahara kuthiwa beyidayiswa to the highest bidder, nakhona ithombe zemafurniture nama prices zika WhatsApp ba busy you guys. Badinga abantu abangazithenga ukwenzela ukuthi basheshe bahambe phela sebexoshiwe lapho kunini behleli bengenzi lutho abakhokhi lutho bahleli njengoba sithi bahleli asazi ukuthi ubani, but mina ngizwile ukuthi ubandezwa mkutukana, singazi ukuthi ukuhleli ubandezwa nolumka noma ubandezwa eyedwa angazi you guys. Leso story sidabukisa esikadadu Zahara mehe so rest in peace. Okwenzeka isokungokwenzeka inkosi yamdala yena wayilalela angathi angalala ngoxolo. Yeah, thank you so much you guys ukuthi ibuke le video, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, like i video, share, then sizobonana futhi ku video elandelayo. Bye.